Hello and welcome back to our channel. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our channel already. Today we'll be learning how to change the voice of Siri. To do so, first of all, go to your iPhone settings. Now scroll down a bit and then you can see Siri and search. Go inside it and then you can see these options. Tap on the option that says Siri voice. There you can see many voice variations. On the top you can see accents. They are American, Australian and some more.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
And inside of those accents, there are different voices.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri.
To select the voice, you can tap into any country and inside of them you can choose any voice. Suppose if you like American accent, then tap on America and then choose a voice by tapping on them.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
You can listen the voice as you tap on it and then it will be downloaded at the same time. As soon as you are satisfied with the voice, leave it and then go back. The last voice you selected will remain the voice of Siri. That is all. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Let us know if you face any problems on the comment section below. Also, hit the like button if the video helped you and do subscribe for similar contents.